blow dryer from Tideway. Comes with a diffuser, and all of this is magnetic. So easy to snap on. It comes with a diffuser. It comes with this other attachment. Comes with 3 different settings. Super easy to use. Magnetic filter that you can change. Turn it on. That is some serious power. That's hot, cool, cold, warm, and then back to hot. Doesn't have as much noise as the regular dryers do. Super easy to use. I've been doing my hair for years, straightening it. This dries it super quick, super fast. Thank me later.